This is my channel. Okay. Oh shoot, it's that time. It's another video. But I started looking ratchet. My hair looks busted in this video because I was trying to braid my hair and it didn't come out right. So that's why the front is wet and the back is dry. And I'm trying to comb it out and I'm getting exhausted. But what I should have done is I should have wet the entire head first like a normal person. The entire head. I'm talking about my head. I should have wet my entire head first like a normal person and then tried to comb it out. But I did it the hard way. So my hair is wet, it's conditioned, it's combed out, and now I am applying edge control to the front and the back of my head. Because as you can see by the title, this is a top knot. And when I do put my edge control in my hair, I like to go in with a rat tail comb. That way it's like the edge control is not just sitting on top of my head, it's actually getting spread into my hair. I don't like that word. It's being evenly distributed. Yeah. Now I'm going over that with some Eco Styler gel. And this is the hard part. I'm going to attempt to smooth my hair out. And this takes time, people. Using my hard boar hair brush to kind of get all the layers of my hair. And that makes sense to me. The top layer, the middle layer, and the kitchen layer. And then after that, I'm going to use my soft brush and smooth it over. This part took the longest. Like, my arms were hurting. Bad. Michael Jackson bad. And, you know, I just had surgery, so I haven't used my left arm in months. 3 months. So this was the workout of a lifetime. So now that I have it all smoothed out, I'm gonna put it in 2 of these hair ties, you know, and then get started with these edges. I actually don't have edges. I mean, I have edges, but I don't have baby hairs. So I gotta pull out these long ass hairs and see what we're gonna do. I like to use my edge control first and then go in with the Got to Be Glued gel, I think it is, in the yellow too, the stuff that people use for their wigs. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm trying to say. So basically, that's exactly what I'm doing. I think going forward, I don't need to explain anything else because you can obviously see. Now, for some reason, my edges always look bomb when I'm doing them, but they never stay. And it's really irritating my spirit and it's affecting my self-esteem. Like, I can't even hold down a job anymore. I'm just playing. But no, seriously, it's very frustrating. If anyone knows of a good edge control that will stay, please let me know. Because by the time I get over to the other side, there's just a lot happening. Yes. And then my edges on both sides are just so different. Like, I have one good side and one bad side. That's just life. Spraying that olive oil, that is like my key to make sure that once I put the edge control in my hair, I don't get like that gray matte look or that white weird film. And you let it sit, while it's sitting. Braid the rest of my hair up. And then I'm about to put this braiding hair in for the top knot bun. And when I did the bun, it was some twists and braids and 2-strand twists. So from here, I'll let you guys watch, even though it's almost over. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
educate the heart.